Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to check out this little restaurant they have up at Lakeland. You know, it's called Frescos Southern Kitchen. You know? Yeah man, they have a nice rating on Google and everything. I think they have a 4.3 star, over 1,000, almost 2,000, you know, reviews and all that stuff. Mainly good reviews. So I'm going to check them out and see what they have to offer, see how the food is, and give you my take on the food and all that stuff. Yeah man, so just stay tuned and don't go nowhere. So guys, the first thing that we noticed when we walked in was the ambience. The atmosphere is nice, you know, and laid back with music playing in the background. You know, there's also an outdoor seating area. You know, if you want to get that nice Florida heat, you know, which I wouldn't recommend right now because it's kind of hot outside, you know, scorching hot. And also the customer service was excellent. Perfect, you know, can't get any better than that. The food, you know, also gave me that wow factor. You know, I was amazed at how good the food was. You know, I was kind of surprised. Yeah, we had the chicken egg roll, and oh my God, it was amazing. It was delicious. The flavors, you know, were on point. You know, the filling is like a mixture of chicken, you know, and salsa or some type of pico de gallo, you know, bacon, maybe some buffalo ranch or something creamy on the inside, you know, but it was good. You know, the portion size is good enough for 2 people. For the main course, I had the knuckles sandwich. You know, this sandwich has a little bit of everything in it. It's similar to a jambalaya, but without the rice. You know, this was my favorite thing from the menu. I would highly recommend, you know, this restaurant, and I'll definitely be going back very soon. Yeah, man, they also have bottomless drinks for like 2 hours. So you have a 2 hour window where you can drink, you know, unlimited drinks. All right, guys, so welcome back to the kitchen. You know, we're gonna make some bread pudding right about now. So just check it out. So here I have the ingredients for today's recipe, all right? I have some bread, Ray and Nephew rum, overproof rum, the good rum. Yeah, straight from Jamaica. Yeah, you have the vanilla. You have some nutmeg, some ground cinnamon, heavy cream. You have the raisins, egg over there, so evaporated milk, and you have some butter and a little bit of sugar, brown sugar. Yeah, so that's all you're gonna need for today's recipe. All right, so just continue to enjoy the video. All right, so we're gonna add some butter and then toss it in the microwave for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until it's fully melted, you know, and then we're gonna combine the butter with a few other ingredients. But just continue to watch the video, man. Hold on there. All right, so the evaporated milk, we're gonna pop it open and just toss it in a mixing bowl. Oh yes. Yeah, just pour the whole can of evaporated milk in the mixing bowl. Alright. Now we're gonna add some heavy whipping cream. Alright, so what else you gonna add to the bread pudding?
Vanilla.
Add that vanilla. Yeah man, just pour a nice decent amount.
And then, you know,
What's that there? Ray and Nephew. You know, once you add that Ray and Nephew white rum, it's gonna give it its own unique flavor. You know? Yeah man. Yes. The Ray and Nephew smells strong right now. And yeah, the scent alone just make me feel drunk. Yeah, but anyways, we gonna add that to we add that already to the mixture, and now we gonna add a few more ingredients. What we gonna add now? Some raisin. Yeah, we'll add some raisin right about now. Alright, so we're gonna add 2 eggs. Alright, so now we're gonna add the melted butter, right? Yeah, add the melted butter. Mix it up a little bit. You're not ready to mix it yet? Huh?
No.
Okay.
Add some sugar first.
Add some sugar first, okay. Alright. Add your sugar to give it that nice little sweet flavor to it.
Whisk.
Alright, so now we go whisk it up or mix it up. So why do you use the brown sugar instead of the white sugar? Is there a reason, or it's just your personal preference?
I mean, most people bake with brown sugar.
Eh.
So I just stick with that trend.
Okay. Yeah, so with this bread pudding recipe, I'll leave the all the correct measurements, in the description of the video, but for today we're just gonna freestyle it because we've made this recipe, this cake, so many times before, so we're just gonna freestyle it. Yeah, man. All right, so we add a little bit of nutmeg. Yeah, and fresh is always better, so if you have the natural fresh nutmeg, you can grate it, and it's a personal preference thing still. Whatever you have at home, whatever is more convenient at the time. So we'll add some what's this, ground cinnamon. Or you can also add some cinnamon sugar to it as well. Add a nice little flavor to it same way. Yeah, so just mix it up, continue to mix it up. Big chef in the building, see her there? Yeah. Alright, so as you can see right here, we just break up the bread. Yeah, man. Chef. Alright, so we'll break up the bread. Once you finish break up the bread, we'll just go add it to this liquid mixture right over here. So
this is our preference. This is the bread that we use.
So this is the bread that we normally use. We prefer to use this one right here. You can find this at your local supermarket, Walmart, Publix, or wherever you do your shopping. If you have hard dough bread, they can use it as well, but this one is just perfect for us, Alright, so what's next, Deandra?
We're gonna add our bread to our liquid mixture.
Alright, so yeah, man, I'm ready. Isn't that too much liquid, or that's good?
That's
good.
Perfect amount.
Perfect amount, okay.
Alright, so I'm just gonna make sure everything is coated and absorbs your mixture. Smells so good.
Smells good, definitely. I tell you, the real if you give it that its own unique flavor and smell, you can taste all of the flavor right now, Just come through your nostril and go up on your tongue and everything. Everything smells so good right now, I'm telling you. Oh my God. So I think me make the best bread pudding.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
You're not in my league with the bread pudding.
Yeah?
No.
You want a bread pudding show off? Show down?
Not.
Wait, so I can't beat in a best taste than bread pudding.
I wouldn't even compete with you.
You won't even compete with me?
You're not in my league with bread pudding.
Yeah? You're that good?
Yes.
Oh my God. I will teach you to make bread pudding. I mean, give you the recipe, and you teeth it.
Partially.
Okay.
But then me start freestyle it. Freestyle always better.
Yeah, freestyle is always better, yeah. That's true. Alright, so we'll go to next.
I'm gonna put it in a container.
Alright, so we're gonna be using this cast iron skillet, for our bread pudding today. Why you add the butter, upon the cast iron? What's the purpose of that?
So that when it's cool enough, it falls right out. It doesn't stick to it.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. But you know, the cast iron well seasoned.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so after you scrape out all of that mixture, you know, into the cast iron skillet, you're gonna get your spatula or a spoon and just press it down a little bit. Press it all the way down until it's nice and flat. You know? And then we're gonna bake this for how long, Deandra? How long are we gonna bake this for?
45 minutes to 50 minutes.
Okay, so 45 to 50 minutes. And what temperature?
350.
350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. May I tell you guys, I wish y'all could smell, you know, the flavor right now out of this bread pudding mixture. Smell is out of this world. Smell good. Alright, so we're gonna put in our oven right now. Alright. See it there? Yes, see the bread pudding there? You're ready. And it's kinda hot right. Well, it's super hot right now, not kinda, super hot. So in the middle feel a little bit soft, but within maybe about 30 minutes from now, once it kinda cool down and everything, it go firm up and solid up and have that nice firm consistency to it. Yeah, but it's looking good.